What's up, YouTube? Doswellbeats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today what we doing? We're gonna just do a beat walkthrough, man. I only have 5 minutes, so I made the beat already, turned the camera after, and just doing the beat walkthrough. Alright, so I got 5 minutes, and I'm gonna try to just do the walkthrough within 5 minutes. Alright, so let's get it, let's go. Just going, no long talking, we just going to show you track 1, track 2, track 3, and so on and so on. Alright, and just turn them on as we go. Alright, so it's a quick video, only got 5 minutes. Alright, let's go, man, let's get it, let's go. Alright, let's go. That was the first track that I did. Now we're gonna go to track 2, and we're gonna unmute track 2. So that was it for track 2. We go to track 3, and that's the bass. When I go around, I'll unmute it. First thing I added was the hi-hats. Let's go. We're gonna bring that in when it come back around. Then we did the snare. Then we did a little sounds in the middle here and there. That's this right here. Then we bring the kick in. And that was it, man. That's where I left off at. I think I'm gonna leave it off there for now. All we need is the vocals to go in there, and we good to go. Alright, make it as simple as possible, man, because the vocal is an instrument, remember that. Alright, so let's go, man. Alright, as always, you know what I like to say, man.